In a significant development, the Supreme Court has voiced doubts about the claimed NEET UG 2024 exam paper leak, with the top court ordering NTA to disclose the full center and city level results despite opposition by Saturday afternoon. Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud and Justices J.B. Pardiwala and Manoj Mishra questioned the veracity of assertions made by the National Testing Agency and the union that the leak happened at some test centers just 45 minutes prior to the exam. Moreover, the court has decided that it is too far-fetched to believe that the question paper could have been solved, leaked and distributed in its entirety in such a short amount of time. The court's circumspect stance demonstrates its dedication to guaranteeing equity and openness in the NEET UG assessment procedure. The Apex Court has scheduled the next hearing for July 22. Notably, with each development, on one hand, serious concerns arise about the integrity of competitive tests in India's educational system, and the other, the latest developments in the case. The Supreme Court's verdict and CBI's swift action will hopefully set guidelines for resolving examination disputes in the future and ensuring equity in admission procedures across the country. As the investigation progresses, interested parties are watching for clear proof to ascertain the degree of malpractice in the NEET UG 2024 exam, which may have an effect on thousands of prospective medical students worldwide. Turning to the IIT Madras data analytics submitted by the Union Government, Advocate Narendra Hooda, appearing for the petitioners, explained the National Testing Agency has not released the complete results for the top 1 lakh candidates who are likely to secure admissions, pointing out that there are approximately 108,000 medical seats available, with 56,000 in government colleges and 52,000 in private institutions. Hooda said if a retest is ordered, then the real affected persons would be 1,08,000 and not the entire 23.33 lakh students. However, while expressing concerns, the CJI stated that the mere fact that only a fraction of the 23 lakh students would secure admissions is not significant grounds for a complete re-examination. Meanwhile, the Central Bureau of Investigation arrested 4 AIIMS Patna students from the 2021 and 2022 batches in the NEET paper leak case. This follows the other arrests for allegedly stealing and distributing exam papers. The detention of students from AIIMS Patna adds to the complexity of the ongoing probe, highlighting the severity of the paper leak allegations. Representatives of AIIMS Patna have remained silent, awaiting more information from the CBI. Additionally, Pankaj Kumar, also known as Aditya, and Raj Kumar Singh, also known as Raju, were taken into custody for allegedly taking the exam paper from Hazaribagh. With 14 arrests so far, the CBI believes there is a broader conspiracy with interstate connections.